If you've ever used Outlook on the web and wondered, where's the keyboard shortcut for Strikethrough? You're not alone. And in today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to apply Strikethrough formatting in Outlook, why no keyboard shortcut exists on the web version, and the fastest way to get it done every single time. Let's jump right in. So first, here's the key thing to know up front. Outlook on the web does not offer a direct keyboard shortcut for Strikethrough. While the desktop app includes more shortcut options, the web version still requires you to use the formatting toolbar. But don't worry, the process is super simple once you know where to click. To begin, head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in with your email and password just like you normally do. Once you're inside your account, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. From here, click on the Mail section on the left-hand side. Then hit New Mail to open a new message window. This is where you'll compose your email, go ahead and type out the message or content you want to format. Now comes the important part, highlighting the exact text you want to strike through. Just click and drag your mouse over the words you want to modify. Make sure you're selecting only the specific section you want to mark as crossed out. Precision here ensures the formatting looks clean and professional. Once your text is selected, look at the formatting toolbar above your message. You should see an icon that looks like ABC with a line through it. That's the strike through button. Click it and instantly your selected text will have a line running through it. Remember, on the desktop Outlook app, some formatting shortcuts do exist, but for Outlook on the web, this manual click is currently the only method. If you ever need version-specific formatting help, you can always check Outlook's built-in help section for updates, especially as Microsoft keeps rolling out new features. And that's it. Your text is now visually marked as edited or canceled without deleting it. Perfect for revisions, corrections, or showing changes clearly to your readers. If this guide helped you understand strike-through formatting in Outlook, make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you want more Outlook tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick productivity guides. Thanks for watching.